Your bike setup can make or break your ride. It is so important not only for performance, but for your comfort as well. Here's a 5-step process that you can go through to get that bike to your perfect fit. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is adjust the seat height. A good rule of thumb is to stand next to your bike and bring your seat up to about your hip height at your hip bone. Then you'll hop on the bike and place your feet in the pedals. At the bottom of the pedal stroke, your leg should be slightly bent. If it's too straight or you feel like you're reaching for the pedals at the bottom of the pedal stroke, your seat is too high, so bring it down a touch lower. On the other hand, if your knee is too bent, you're going to want to bring that seat height up a little bit. Next up, we need to adjust the seat fore or aft position. Basically, that means how far forward or how far back your seat needs to be. In order to do that, you'll need to be on your bike with your feet either clipped in or strapped into the foot cage. Bring your foot down so that it is parallel with the floor. Once you're there, you will check your knee. If your knee is on top of the ball of your foot, you are good to go. If your knee is forward towards your toes, adjust the seat back. If your knee is back over your ankle, adjust the seat forward. Now let's talk handlebars. This adjustment really is personal. It is up to you on how high you like your handlebars. To start, you could put your handlebars at the height of the seat or maybe even a touch higher. However, if you're a beginner or you have back issues, I recommend bringing those handlebars up as far as they can go. In fact, that is how I like to ride. That is my preferred position, with the handlebars up as far as they can go. As you get more experience, you can adjust with those handlebars and even bring them down lower for a more aggressive riding position. Finally, you're going to want to adjust the distance of your handlebars. Now, as a side note, not all bikes have this adjustment, but if your bike allows you to move your handlebars forward or back, this is what you're going to want to look for. When you have your hands on the handlebars, you want a nice slight bend in the elbow. If your handlebars are too far out, your elbows are going to be straight and locked, and that is not an ideal position. On the reverse, if they're in too far, you might have that elbow too bent and too cramped. So set that adjustment so that you have a nice slight bend in your elbows. Once you have everything adjusted, hop on the bike and give it a test. Everything should feel comfortable and nothing should feel strained. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. So don't be afraid to make any small tweaks to help get that fit just right. Now you're ready to crush your next ride. So why not get started right now with a 10-minute workout, or if you're feeling a little feisty, go for 30. Until then, remember the bike settings that you just found, keep pedaling, and be amazing.